In today's video, I will teach you how to warp text around objects in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and then open your project by clicking File, then Open, or simply create a new project by selecting New Project. Now we're going to add your text. Choose the text tool from the toolbar on the left or simply press T on your keyboard. Then click on the canvas where you want to add your text and type it out. Then adjust the font, size, and color as needed using the options in the top menu. Now make sure that the object around which you want to warp the text is visible and on a separate layer. If it's not yet part of your project, you can create it or open an image with the object. Now we're going to warp the text. Before warping, you need to convert the text into a shape. To do this, right-click on the text layer in the Layers panel, then choose Convert to Shape. With the text layer selected, go to Edit, Transform, then Warp from the top menu. A grid will now appear over your text. Click and drag the control points on the corners, sides, or directly on the text to warp the text around the object. You can also select specific warp presets from the drop-down menu in the top bar. For example, Arc, Arch, and Fish to create various warping effects. Then adjust the warp by dragging different parts of the text until it wraps around your object in the desired way. You can also use the Move tool or simply press V on your keyboard to adjust the position of the warp text if needed. If you need to make further adjustments, you can reselect the Warp tool and continue tweaking the text shape. Once you're satisfied with the warping, press Enter or click the check mark in the top menu to apply the changes. Then save your project by going to File, then Save as PSD, or export your image in the desired file format by going to File, then Export As. And now you've successfully warped text around an object in Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.